Okay, welcome back to our DIY Golf Club Restoration Beginner Series. If you're just joining us, we're in those final steps of restoring a 2013 Titleist AP1. So from start to finish, we did club head removal, we did scratch and dent repair, we polished it to a high gloss, we did surface reconditioning, we did club face reconditioning, we sharpened the grooves, and now we're gonna give it those finishing touches and we're gonna do paint fill. Paint fill is one of the easiest ways to customize your golf club and it requires no skill whatsoever. It's going to take longer to explain the steps than it is to do the steps. Just like the name paint fill implies, we're actually going to fill all of the recesses on the club with paint, clean off the excess, and it's going to leave the perfect numbers, perfect letters, perfect stamping on your club. Enamel paint works best for paint fill. You could use this brush-on type, you could use Tester's model paint, you could use nail polish, or if you want more color variety, you could use spray paint. Just spray it into a cup and brush it on that way. Couple of tips for success. Don't worry about being so meticulous when you apply the paint. You can slop it on as much as you want. The real magic is in the cleanup. For the cleanup step, I use these makeup removal pads. These are perfect because they have this flat side and then like this puffy side. The flat side's great because you can slop all the paint you want on this club, hold this flat against the top of the club, and remove all the excess generally in one swipe. If you push too hard with this or you use the puffy side, you might pull some of the paint out of the recess and you're gonna have to slop some more on and do it again. If it smears, if it smudges, leave it. Let it dry completely. Wait till tomorrow to do it. And then you can clean it off with a single drop of acetone or a single drop of alcohol on a rag, wipe around the area, and it's not gonna affect the paint in the recesses. If you do it while it's wet, you're gonna ruin it. You're gonna have to start up. So pick your favorite color and just watch me work. So that's paint fill. Really easy to do. Took me a couple of tries to get it right, but I let it dry, cleaned up the smudges, and now it looks great. We have one step left. We'll put on a new ferrule, we'll put on a new grip, we'll glue it all back together, and we'll see how it turned out.